Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a peeled off like skeleton face tutorial. Today's look is going to be a little bit inspired by this makeup look I did back in, I think, 2020. It has like the 200 and some weeks thing, so I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure this is around 2020. And I really liked how it was like peeling up. So I want to redo this one, but I want to do it better. I don't want to do like a colored skull underneath, and I don't want to have like as much crazy makeup. I want to make it like more simple makeup up top, and then we'll do like the peeling skin, and I might make it like a V instead so we can do the nose part, and then we'll do like a skeleton underneath, probably just like black and white. So if you want to see that, keep watching. So I'm going to start off by taking Maximum Impact's Liquid Latex. I have it in flesh tone. I'm going to take a Q-tip, and I'm just going to start making that like line that I want. I kind of don't want it to be perfect this time. Last time I was so focused, I think, on like keeping it completely straight. I'm just going to start blending it up. Then I'm just going to go back over that front part to build that part up, because the goal is to peel it up a tiny bit. And I could be doing this like completely wrong, but this is just how I do it. I've never like taken a class on anything like this. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry and then I'll be back to see how it turns out. Okay, so here's what we're looking like. A little tacky, but it is dry. I'm gonna go in with my concealer. It's Milani's Conceal and Perfect. And I'm gonna go over this first to see if we can kind of bring it closer to my skin tone. And then I might go in with a foundation that's like slightly darker. I'm going to go in with e.l.f.'s Halo Glow Liquid Filter Foundation. I moisturized before this, but I didn't really prime, to be honest. Next, I'm going to take that same concealer and I'm going to go under my eyes. And then we're probably going to have to do something because it's still like not blending enough. I might just go over it with more foundation. I'm going to go in with Maybelline's City Bronzer. Just like right here. And I'm going to kind of use it as contour a little bit. Not that much. That was too much. I'm just going to go back in with the regular powder to fix that. Next, I'm going to try to peel this up a little bit. Just like so. Only the part that we made thicker in the front. Making sure I'm not pulling the entire piece off. Then I'm very carefully going to take a makeup wipe and we're just going to wipe the makeup off the bottom part here. Like there's a part that didn't peel up and then there's the part that got on my face from when we blended it in. To quickly finish up my makeup up top, I'm going to take my, I think it's Rimmel London's brow pencil. I'm just going to fill my brows roughly. My contacts are from Honey Color. I believe they're the Moonbeam Dreamy Violet. I'm not quite sure. I'll have it in the description when I post the photos on Instagram. I feel like I should do like a liner or something. I really have to start paying attention to my microphone. Okay, I found a liner. Oh, never mind. This is a liner lash glue thing. I'll actually try this. This is the Pro Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. I don't know where the lashes are, but I'm just going to try this anyway because it is sticky. Okay, it did kind of work. I just had to play with it a little bit. It's not perfect, but it'll do the job. I'll see about adding any like shadow or anything else, but I'm going to leave the top now. I'm going to go in, and I cannot mess up because this is all I have left of my Mehron cream blend stick, so let's go for it, I guess. My ghost has seen, it's been through it this Halloween. We are not even through yet. I'm just a little nervous about this part. And then this is my other reference photo that we're going with. So this is the main one. And then this is the secondary one for the bottom part. So really this one doesn't matter. Is this on the screen? Yeah. This is the mouth we're going for down here. I'm going to keep with the cream paints. I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild's Fantasy Maker palette. So I'm going to start off by doing the teeth, I think, because that'll help me like measure everything out better. Okay, so we've got our lines. I'm just going to start by connecting the top. Now I'm going to draw the line in the middle. I'm going to do the nose really quick. I guess I should take the nose ring out, right? Okay, I'm going to take Elf's Cookies and Dreams palette. I think I've been saying cookies and creams this entire season, like October. Anyway, I'm going to use the black from their Cookies and Dreams palette. And I'm going to set this. Trying to be Trying to be very careful though at the top part here because I don't want to make too much of a mess on the skin part. I have this issue where I throw my brush on the desk and then I forget where I threw it. We're gonna go here. Just like so. Let me fix this one so it's a little higher. This one's a little off. It's supposed to be more straight back. I don't know why I did it so curved, but you get the gist. I'm just going to start painting this in. I need like a bigger brush because I want to go down and trace my jaw here. I'm gonna do that and then like smudge it up. And then we're gonna go darker on this outer part here. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the eyeshadow and we're gonna set this. Keeping these parts like super dark. And just lightly setting this part. And then I'm also going to take this and just trace the outside with the shadow. Oop, a little too much there. And I'm just going to lightly tap over the teeth. Maybe I'll add some black eyeshadow up top. So here's the final look. I think it's like cute, but more simple. Obviously it's not super simple, but you know what I mean. It's not like a full skull face. And then this peels. Not that there's a lot to peel it up, but here's the final look. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.